Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing a device. This is the DermRays Glow Fusion. It's a microcurrent device. It's a dual-headed microcurrent device. So you're going to want to watch this video and learn a little bit about this device because this has so many benefits. And as a master esthetician of over 20 years, I have not seen a device on the market that does this in one device. It's pretty insane. Let's get going. Let me tell you about this device. I'm going to walk you through all the benefits and all the solutions that you can find with this device. So let's get started. So the device itself comes with this little stand, which is a charging station, which is so convenient to keep on your counter. This one device has a warm compress, acoustic pulsation, electrical pulse, multiple microcurrents, orange, red, and NIR LED, and it has a device on the end that is designed specifically for eyes, promoting blood circulation, helping to reduce dark circles and puffiness. So let's get started. Let me show you how all of these benefit the skin. The first mode is the deep cleanse mode. And as you can see, you get these little cotton rounds and there's this little metal attachment and you put on the cotton round and then this metal attachment will keep that cotton on your device. Put a little bit of your preferred cleanser, get the head wet, and then you will go ahead and massage this onto the skin in an upward and outward motion. Now this is going to help tone the skin, but also it's going to give that deeper clean that you just can't get with normal cleansing. And you can really see a difference after you use this because you can see how much was removed on this cleansing pad. And then after you have cleansed your face, you can just go ahead and remove that metal ring and throw away the cotton round. And now I'm going to show you the second mode. But before you go into any of these skincare modes, you want to apply skincare because the device is actually going to help you absorb your skincare. So the second mode, which is M2, is called Bright Up mode, and this helps the beauty ingredients to penetrate to the stratum and moisturizes the skin. So you'll do this for about 4 minutes, and you can do this with either gel, your serums, your lotions, your cream, or even a face mask, and you can do this once a day, and this is going to help push that skincare deeper into your skin. Now there's another device that's on the market that I wanted to bring up and compare because you have seen me use the device, but that's the Zip device that you've seen. It's another microcurrent device, very popular, but I just want to show you that this device that I'm using here by DermRays has 4 different modes. So if you're looking for something that's going to offer a lot of different benefits, this one is definitely going to have different benefits. For the price point, it's just a great device. Now, as you can see, I've switched over to the third mode. Now, this is a lifting mode. This was actually the mode that I was most excited to try and to have in a device because the benefits are going to improve the elasticity of the skin. It's going to tighten and lift the skin. So who doesn't want a device that can do all of this? So when I think about that, that's perfect for toning the muscle. The mode that was number 2 is more for the surface level, the skin, and this third mode is really for the muscle and toning and tightening. So jowls, jaw, all those great areas that you want to get a facelift. Now, as you can see, I'm going into the 4th mode. This is firm eye mode. So I'm using the actual bottom tip of the device, which is so creative that they were able to fit 2 different heads into one device. So with this, it's going to improve the elasticity of the skin around the eyes. And as you can see, it has a different light on the bottom as well. So you're getting all of the benefits with the second head. And there you have it, all of those benefits in one device. I really can't believe it. So we're talking about a warm compress. We have the acoustic pulsation, electrical pulsation. We have LED light therapy. So we have orange, red, near infrared LED light. And then we also have the specifically designed head for the under eye area, which is so incredible. It's so innovative. And for someone that's busy, you can do this every single morning. You can do this in the evening. That is really going to change your skin. You can see improvements in 1 to 2 uses of this. So having this in your daily routine, oh my goodness, you are going to fall in love. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, make sure that you leave your comments below. I'm here, always happy to help. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. Thank you, DermRays, for making a beautiful, effective, and wonderful device, the Glow Fusion. If I have a discount code and the link, I'll put it down below for you. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.